Assalamu alaikum. This is Fizza Shakil. I hope you all are doing well. In this video, we will discuss the basic concepts of pathology, its scope, and concept of disease. Okay, let's start with this word. The word pathology comes from two Greek words, pathos and logos. Pathos meaning suffering and logos meaning study. Now, what is pathology? Pathology is a scientific study of structure and function of the body in disease condition, in which we study how the organ and tissue structure and function of a healthy person changes to those of a sick person or diseased person, कि किस तरह से हेल्दी पर्सन के ऑर्गन और टिश्यू के जो स्ट्रक्चर और फंक्शन है वो सिक पर्सन में कन्वर्ट होते हैं, सिक पर्सन के फंक्शंस में कन्वर्ट होना. It is also represent the cause and effects of disease. In cause, we study different factors that disrupt the normal functions. ऐसे फैक्टर्स जो नॉर्मल फंक्शन को डिस्टर्ब करते हैं उनको डिस्ट्रॉय कर देते हैं. And effects of disease. In effects, we study the outcomes of disease, means its signs and symptoms. Signs are easily observed by other person, but symptoms are a feature that is apparent to the patient. पेशेंट खुद एक्सपीरियंस करता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल हेडेक, नोजिया, जो कि एक्सटर्नली दिखाई नहीं दिए जा सकते. Scope of pathology. The scope of pathology can easily understand with this one sentence. According to William Oster, your practice of medicine will be good as your understanding of pathology. जितनी आपकी पैथोलॉजिकल अंडरस्टैंडिंग अच्छी होगी उतनी ही मेडिकल प्रैक्टिस आपकी अच्छी होगी. Pathologists examine a tissue section for evidence of diseased cell, while a surgeon observes. Pathologists are the diagnostics of disease. Classification of pathology. It is classified in several ways. It may be divided in general pathology, special pathology, neuropathology, pulmonary pathology, and surgical pathology. In general pathology, we study the basic reactions of cells and tissues to abnormal stimuli that underlay all disease. It also describes basic principles and mechanisms of disease production, for example, inflammation. In special pathology, we study the specific response of specialized organs or tissues, for example, inflammation in lung or kidney, etc. Neuropathology, in which we study the disease of nervous system tissues, for example, stroke. In pulmonary pathology, we discuss disease of lungs, for example, bronchitis. Surgical pathology. It is the study of tissues removed from body in living state. It is done by paraffin embedded technique and by frozen section for rapid diagnosis. Concept of disease. It is the deviation from or interruption of the normal structure or function of any part, organ or system of the system manifested by a characteristic set of sign and symptoms. मतलब नॉर्मल प्रोसेस से एबनॉर्मल प्रोसेस में कन्वर्ट होना किसी भी ऑर्गन या सिस्टम में जिसे हम क्लियरली साइन और सिम्टम्स की मदद से अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हैं. Classification of disease. There are four classification of disease: inflammatory, degenerative, neoplastic, and traumatic. In inflammatory disease, we have example of TB, tuberculosis. In degenerative, we have osteoarthritis. In neoplastic, we consider lung cancer, etc. And in traumatic disease, we have an example of fracture of steps of evaluation of disease. किस तरह से डिसीज को evaluate किया जा सकता है? Etiology, pathogenesis, morphological changes, and clinical significance. In etiology, we study the cause of disease or its causal factors. ऐसे factors जो disease को generate करते हैं. For example, genetic abnormalities, nutritional imbalance, immunological abnormalities, infections, toxins, and trauma, etc. Pathogenesis, mechanisms of disease or process of disease, in which we study how the normal structure and function of the body changes to the abnormal one. Morphological changes, in which we study the structure of organs. And clinical significance, in which we study the sign and symptoms of disease. If you learn anything from this video, then please like, comment, share the video, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.